Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add background music in VN Video Editor. So let's get started with the video. First of all, you need to open the VN application. After opening the application, you need to add any video here. As soon as you add it, you will see an option here called Tap to add music. You need to click on it. As soon as you click on it, you need to click on music from here, then go to my music, and after that, go to File Apps. Then, by clicking OK, you can select your preferred background music from here. For example, if I go back from here, you can go to your music or audio and add it from here, and after adding it, you can also use it. So that was today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.